Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go down or you will scrolling down until you find the NFL app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.